Hey everybody, I'm Brian with Knox Company. I'm going to show you how to change out your cabin air filter on your 4Runner. This also applies for a lot of other vehicles. It's going to be almost exactly the same. I have this air filter here, a link for it in the video for these vehicles, the 2016 4Runners. There's a whole range of years that it works for. Comes with your air filter like this. We're going to get right to it. Don't want to waste your time. Normally, your cabin air filters are going to be found somewhere on almost every vehicle behind your glove box. With the 4Runners, they make it very easy, where you just hit these tabs right here, pop out this plate, you pinch sideways here and here. You can pop off this cover. Doing it with one hand here. We get that off, and then this is our air filter that we're going to be replacing. Go ahead and pull this one out. It's a little dirty, a little dusty. Get it out of there. We have the directional airflow on this cover that you take off. It'll actually say this way up, because normally it's pulling air from the cab and then cycling it through. So on these new air filters, you'll see which way the airflow is. So we're going to make sure the airflow is going up. We'll insert this new one right back in there. We'll put this cover back on. Pop that in place. Put that cover back on and we're all done. Save yourself some money. I know at the dealerships when you get your oil changed, they'll say, hey, do you want to get that cabin air filter changed? It's only going to be like 40 or 50 bucks. Don't waste your money. You can do it yourself. You can get one of these for under $20. Again, links for that will be there. If you want a different vehicle, click on the link, then just go into the Amazon tab and type in your year, make, and cabin air filter, and it will show you the compatibility of which vehicle you have and what kind of air filter you need. Again, these are usually under $20. I use this one because it's light. I had another one that was a carbon air filter, a couple different options, all under 20 bucks. Something you can do yourself and save some money. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to support me or the channel, you can even pick up a cool Fort Knox t-shirt. I have links for them again in the video, and I'll put one right here in the description. Thank you again, and I'll see you on the next build.